Bugeye guys, I want to just show you an interesting thing. This is the correct fittings for your top and tonneau. These are 10X fittings. We've talked about this before, but many of these cars come through with issues around this. This is the proper 10X stud. It's a smaller stud, and confusion abounds about this. And if you look at this car, here's the confusion. These are lift the dot studs. They're a little bit bigger, a little taller. You should be able to see it. And this car came in to us with the holes in the right place, but they turned the twist fitting, the common sense fitting, into a single lift the dot stud when they repainted the car. So now you want to put a new tonneau on the car. You have to decide, do you change the fittings properly or do you just live with them? Now, if the top has the female equivalent of these lifted dots, then you have an additional thing to change. But the right way to do it is, and this is the way the factory did it, so it's worth taking a look. They put these, this is for a long tonneau. Remember, there's also a short tonneau to further complicate things, and the short tonneau used lift dot fittings, not 10X. But today I just wanted to talk about these three fittings. They should be a 10X, and a twist fitting, a common sense fitting here. That's a proper factory way to secure your tonneau. You can see it here on this nice black car as well. This is a red tonneau, properly fit with common sense, 10X. That's what I have to show you today. I think everything else, at least in immediate range, has the correct stuff. It's just this one here that has the three lift dot fittings done incorrectly. So we have all of these. These are the ones that you use up here. Here's another example. Remember, we've talked before, when people can't fit the tonneau because they shrink or they're the wrong size, the ones that we have are a little stretchier and a little bigger. But this is an old problem I hadn't even noticed. They moved this aft because they were having trouble fitting the tonneau. This is the right place. This is approximately the right place, but they've moved it back so we have an extra hole. So that would be one. The second one is supposed to be here and it's missing. It's right about there. We have a template if you need to locate this, but we'll have to drill that for his tonneau. There's so much, each one of these cars teaches us something. So here's a defroster screws. There are two, they should be sheet metal screws, and they have a lift dot fitting here to capture the tonneau because they didn't have a hole here. So we'll take that out and put the proper hole in. They have another one here, which shouldn't be here. That's incorrect. And then the other one right there is in the correct position. So 3 lifted dots on the front, 2 10X in the back, and 1 twist fitting here is correct. At the risk of being overly redundant, 2 10X, 1 common sense, 1 lift the dot here, that's correct. 1 lift the dot here, as I was saying, and then the 3rd lift the dot there. So this car, this is a car called Crane, beautifully done and accurate. And we'll get this one right here. Thanks for watching at Bugeye Guy.